AI, artificial intelligence, is here, and it looks like it's coming for your jobs.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Particularly after the release of ChatGPT, a surprisingly intelligent chatbot released in November 2022 that is free to the public. Yes, in the nearest future, AI will be replacing a lot of white-collar workers. Now, a number of industries are more vulnerable than others. So, in today's video, we will be looking at 5 jobs AI could make obsolete. But before we begin, if you're new here or you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe and click on the notification button so you get notified every time we drop videos. And now that is done,
No. I'll be taking over today. Now that is done, let's get to it. Education. As it stands now, ChatGPT can easily teach classes. The tool would likely be most effective at the middle or high school level, as those classes reinforce skills already established in elementary school. Although it has bugs and inaccuracies in terms of knowledge, this can be easily improved. Basically, you just need to train the ChatGPT. As for higher education, college courses will need a human leader for the foreseeable future, but professor in New York University, though currently banned in the school, did admit that, in theory, AI could teach without oversight. In the meantime, educators are seeing their roles transformed nearly overnight. It's already become a struggle to adapt teaching and testing methods in efforts to keep up with the increasingly talented ChatGPT, which, according can successfully complete a corner-cutting student's coursework at a master's level. Doctoral candidates hoping for a shortcut are likely out of luck. Creating an independent thesis on an area not often or thoroughly studied is beyond AI's abilities for the time being. Finance. Wall Street could see many jobs axed in coming years, as bots like ChatGPT continue to better themselves. It could impact the trading side. Currently at investment banks, people are hired out of college and spend years to work like robots to do Excel modeling. You can get AI to do that much faster. However, crucial financial and economic decisions will likely always be left in human hands, even if the data sheets are not. Software engineering. Website designers and engineers responsible for comparatively simple coding are at risk of being made obsolete. Now you can just ask ChatGPT to generate a website for you. Any type of person whose routine job would be doing this could no longer be needed. AI can draft the code hand-tailored to a user's requests and parameters to build sites and other pieces of IT. Relatively uncomplicated software design jobs could be a thing of the past by 2026 or sooner. As time goes on, if your job is to know how to code, your job might not be broadly needed. Journalism. Journalism has long been the domain of human reporters and editors, but with the development of artificial intelligence, computer-generated stories are becoming a reality. ChatGPT is designed to generate stories based on prompts and data, allowing journalists to quickly generate stories without the need for extensive research. ChatGPT is currently being used to generate stories in a wide range of topics, from sports to business. It is able to generate stories from scratch, as well as to summarize existing stories. It can also be used to create headlines and design stories for social media. One of its main advantages is its speed and accuracy, as it can generate stories quickly and accurately. Graphic design. Graphic design is an ever-evolving industry, and in 2021 OpenAI launched DALL-E, a tool that can generate tailored images from user-generated prompts. This poses a threat to many in the graphic and creative design industries. DALL-E has been used to create a cubist portrait of rabbits for the Lunar New Year, but it has its shortcomings, as it cannot capture more nuanced techniques. AI tools such as DALL-E continue to develop, and as they do, they may take away from the need for graphic designers and photographers. So, there you have it. 5 jobs AI could make obsolete. Do you agree with this? Let us know in the comment section. And remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Meanwhile, should I take over from the deliberate expat?
hold on. What do you mean take over from me? Perhaps AI is coming for my job too? Seems no one is safe. Anyway, it's the deliberate expert, and have a beautiful day.